News 12 now at 5:30. Your news now. News 12 Now's Kate Levens introduces us to those working to make a difference in your community with Kay.
Welcome back to News 12 Now at 5:30. In your community news today, we are learning more about COVID-19 as we continue to battle it right here in the Tennessee Valley. And joining us now to tell us more about the numbers and where we stand is Hamilton County Mayor Jim Coppinger. Good evening, Mayor Coppinger.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for joining us. First of all, let's
you.
talk a little bit about COVID-19 and some of the numbers right here in the Tennessee Valley. Hospitalizations are at a record high, and I know that Erlanger has called in the National Guard to help them with many of their cases in the hospital. What can you tell us about some of the numbers?
Well, Kay, as you well know, the numbers are trending in the wrong direction right now. We have had record hospitalizations. We were at 321 yesterday, and worse than that, we had 54 of those people that were on ventilators, 67 in ICU. The new cases yesterday were down a little bit to 226, but that's still too high for where we need to be. So again, we need to work on it as a community. We certainly recommend that if you're not vaccinated to continue to wear masks, social distance, and again, avoid large gatherings if you can possibly avoid them. But if you're eligible and can get vaccinated, meaning that you don't have any medical conditions or religious reasons not to be vaccinated, then we certainly encourage you to do so.
Mayor Coppinger, let's talk a little bit about vaccine availability. We know we can get it at local pharmacies, at our doctor's offices, but it's still available right here in Hamilton County. Where is it at again?
Again, the health department set up Monday through Friday at the River Park, where they've been from the beginning. You can do testing there as well as vaccinations. And again, we encourage people to get out and do this. All of us as a community need to be helping one another to battle this unbelievable variant that we have right now, the Delta variant, which is extremely contagious, more so than anything that we've dealt with in the past with the pandemic. So again, we need to try to help one another get through this.
You touched a little bit on the mask situation. I know you're encouraging those in our community to wear their mask, even if you're vaccinated. I'm vaccinated, but when I'm going out into communities where there's a large amount of people, I'm still wearing my mask. Do you recommend that? Does the health department?
Well, actually, the CDC and our health department does make that recommendation. And, I'm more apt to follow what the medical experts are telling us. And yes, I'm fully vaccinated, but I tend to do that as well. I do wear masks when I'm in certain situations where you could be very vulnerable to being exposed. And so again, it never hurts to take that extra precaution.
Let's talk a little bit about Hamilton County schools and the numbers where they stand right now. I know educators are doing all they can to try to stop COVID-19 from going through the school system there.
They are. I mean, the school system is doing a really good job. What they're up against is different than last year because of this Delta variant, which is, highly contagious. It attacks our young people. The just COVID-19 that we were dealing with last year, we saw that it didn't impact young people as much, but this does, this Delta variant. So again, I want to applaud what our school system's doing. They're taking all the precautions that they possibly can to try to make our young people as healthy and safe as they possibly can. And most importantly, again, trying to educate them and allow them to have some type of social life.
Hamilton County Mayor Jim Coppinger, thank you so much for joining us this evening and updating us on what's going on as we continue to battle COVID-19 right here in the Tennessee Valley.
Thank you, Kay.
All right. We have much more ahead. If you would like some more information on this interview and the latest numbers on COVID-19, just check out our website. That's at WDEF.com.